should, must, have to, ought to, want to. Should, have to, must, want to, or want to, love to, I would rather. Where is it coming from? Where is it coming from? Should. Where is it coming from? Should. Right.
Comparing some reason.
Right. Where is should coming from? So do you want to do it? Or you should be doing it? Which requires a lot of resistance. And that's where the resistance is. You do not want to do it. Although you are saying you want to do it, in essence, it is you should be doing it. And who wants to do that should be done? No one. No one wants to do a thing that should be done. And that's where all of the resistance in our life, in the things that we know about, come in the picture. And that is why it is important, once we start tapping, then the should starts going away. It's like a small child. When you keep on saying you should, you should, you should, you should, after a point of time, there is a disinterest, there is a resistance, and the child doesn't have the power. So it will do it, but will not enjoy it. Just imagine you keep on creating a should in your own life. That's how we treat ourselves. You should not. That's a good one. Okay? What we do here is, as soon as we start tapping, we start relaxing and we start making choices. So instead of exercise right now, what kind of exercises should you be doing? Jogging or running. How about aerobics? What thought of that? Right. How about Bollywood dancing? There are a lot of Bollywood dancing classes.
I go for martial arts.
Right. And still then you want to do more exercise?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So can you see there is a lot of should that is coming here? I want you to look at each of you, just look at the problem, you will find that should. And because of that should, when we don't do something that we should do, what we do is we stop loving ourselves, we stop accepting ourselves, which is the key to our existence, which is the key to moving forward, which is the huge iceberg that we are talking about, the rest of the iceberg. And that's why when we phrase it, if you just keep on saying every day, you say that 10,000 times, 10,000 is a lot. But if you just say like probably 10 times a day, I deeply love myself, I completely accept myself, that itself will take away lots of your pressure, because it will take away, what are you saying in a sense? Even if I don't exercise, which I should be doing, I will accept myself. I don't become a bad person. My power stays with me. If I don't read the newspaper, that's okay. I can be with it. That's perfectly fine. Okay? While we combine that with our tapping points and a good use of language, we start getting more and more results. Okay? So let's do that and see what opens up. This is a lot of talk. Let's experience it. Okay? Yeah.
One question. Why are we questioning ourselves?
Yeah.
Doing that self-talk.
Yeah.
If we come out of that comfort zone, if we visualize the either negative effects of not doing exercise,
right,
or positive effects of doing exercise, like I would be disease-free,
right,
my personality will be good, would that help?
Yeah. All of that would help. Those are a lot of different places that we can go to. Okay? We'll talk about that if we have time. But let's experience this. Okay? I want you to do this again. Okay? Say, even though if I don't exercise and I don't exercise the way I think I should be doing, I'll become a bad person. Right? That's what would you say? Then I become what? Then I'm a lazy person. Then I'm a lazy person. In spite of that, I'm ready to deeply love myself. And I am ready to deeply accept myself. Even though I'm not able to exercise as much as I want to, or I think I want to, but in essence, as much as I should be doing. In spite of that, I deeply love myself and I completely accept myself. Okay, all of you, just tap. I deeply love myself. I completely accept myself. Even if I know so many things and I'm still not able to working in my life, that makes me such a bad person. In spite of that, I deeply love myself. I completely accept myself. I deeply love myself. Completely accept myself. And now look at the funny thing. Yeah, you can take it. 3 deep breaths. Thank you for reminding.
I have a question.
Yeah, we'll come to that.
Most people normally accept themselves in spite of their faults.
Do they?
I think so.
Okay. Can you say I deeply love myself? Can you say it aloud? Please say that. Say I deeply love myself.
I say it.
Yeah.
I deeply love myself.
Say I completely accept myself.
I completely accept myself.
Okay, close your eyes and say I deeply love myself.
I deeply love myself.
Not so fast. Very relaxed. Very slowly. Completely feel it and say I deeply love myself.
I deeply love myself.
Slower. Okay, all of us, let's do this exercise. In fact, that was the next exercise that we are going to do. Okay? Close your eyes. Close your eyes and say, I deeply love myself. I completely accept myself. Okay. I want to find out how many of you were able to say that. Please open your eyes. How many of you were able to say that without any anxiety, any negative thought, any but, if? Yeah, you were able to say without any but or if? Okay. Slight but. Okay, we'll do that check again. Were you able to say that again? Say it very comfortably. You were?
When I close or open,
Both closed? Yeah?
say it.
No. I want you to say, let's do another check on this. Okay? I deeply love myself, but. Okay. What came to your mind?
I don't
Lots of
accept my action.
Sorry? Lots of?
Areas to improve.
Exactly. Exactly. I deeply love myself, but I need to improve that area.
Same thought.
Absolutely. Best of us. You raise your hand. But what came after but? Nothing came. Fantastic. That's a very good space. Very good space. For you. Nothing. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Okay. I want you to close your eyes and say, I deeply respect myself. I deeply respect myself, but. Okay. Please open your eyes. Anything came after but? Procrastination. Something came for you? Nothing. Okay, fantastic. So we have 2 people here at least. Any other person who was completely blank after that? Yeah? You were also blank after that? Fantastic. Wonderful. You were also blank. Very good. There are 2 possible things that are happening. One, you actually have that kind of peak where your energies are flowing. Either right now or you are like that. So fantastic. Congratulations. Great. That's a great space. But for the others, now can you start seeing? We say we love ourselves, and it's so easy to say. That's your confidence. You're a confident person. Okay? So you can say anything. You can go out in the public and you can just say anything you want. But when you sit down and you say, as soon as you say but, there is a lot of things which start tumbling out. Sorry? Question mark comes. You start thinking of those things which you need to improve in yourself. You start thinking of things when you did not behave in a certain manner. You stop accepting yourself. And that's the biggest route to we feeling the wellness for ourselves. What was your experience?
I was blank.
You were blank. Okay, great. Now you need to look at either of the 2 spaces. Is that the peace? Do you always feel that peace? Do you constantly feel that peace? You do. Very good. So there are practices, there are ways because of which we feel that. But otherwise, if we start looking at these spaces, but if this is how our mind works.
If I need to change something, then if there is possible awareness, doesn't mean I don't accept it. Doesn't mean that I'm not at peace with that.
Right.
There's awareness I have.
Right.
I'm working on it.
Right.
I'm working on it.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So it can be a very, very peaceful space, or as we find out in your case, there is a lot of confidence because of which we are unable to see a few things underneath. That's the rest of the iceberg we are talking about.
No, it's a fact. It's nothing.
It's a fact. It's a fact. I got that.
I say
But
the other clear.
correct. But I'm saying it has an emotional charge, doesn't it? The areas of improvement are yet not imbibed in your system. Because of that, you have an emotional charge, don't you? Consciously or subconsciously?
No, it's objective.
Okay, we'll look at that. We'll look at that. Let's do another exercise.